in 3 easy steps. What is up, everybody? Welcome back. Got a real quick one for you this week, followed by a surprise video next week, and then we'll be back on the regular schedule after that. As you can see, my dudes are no longer in their case. More on that a little bit later down the line. So, 10th edition is coming. I'm hype. You're hype. The entire world is hype about the new edition of Warhammer 40,000, but what can we do in the meantime to prepare? The first piece of advice I'm going to give you is maybe the hardest thing you'll hear all day. Don't buy anything. Do not purchase any new model kits from the Games Workshop Corporation. Why? We don't know what's good. We don't know what's bad. Nobody knows. I don't know. You don't know. Nostradamus doesn't know. The Mayan calendar has no idea. Only Games Workshop rule writers know at the moment what will end up being good. We just don't have the information. The few scraps of information that we do have are not enough to adequately judge something on being good. So yes, a strength 24 spear gun that can potentially do 12 mortal wounds sounds incredibly hype, but we don't know if it's good. We don't know how much points anything's cost. We don't know how things relate to other things in the game yet. We just don't have a full set of these rules. So please do not make any irresponsible financial decisions. The second one is build the stuff that you do have. One thing I do know, and you know too, is that you got a pile of shame going. Trust me, everybody knows. So, act on this information that we do know. Go and build your stuff that you do have laying around. Finish those unfinished products. Get your already painted stuff up to a better standard. Do what you can to present your army in the best possible light. Well, not making any important decisions. I'm building out my Gene Stealer Cults force right now, but I've left, for example, the heavy weapons arms off of my dude, the special weapons options off. I'm just gonna wait and see what that war gear shakes out to look like before I decide to permanently attach them to my models. That way I'll be able to set my force up for the best possible conditions heading into this new edition, and it will only really take a couple of extra minutes to do, because everything else is fully completed. The third and final tip I have for you is just hobby. Build stuff. I'm reiterating here. There's really only 2 real tips. Build your stuff, paint your stuff, do all of your backlog. Take this sweet time to enjoy the news and enjoy all the hype while you build what you have laying around to have even more stuff to play with when you finally get to play 10th edition. I know I want to be playing games as soon as possible with as many dudes as possible, so I'm trying to get as much done as I can before the edition comes out. That way, at least with a shotgun approach, some of the stuff I already have is hopefully going to be okay, and that is all I can hope for at this moment. But yeah, again, just a short video this week because we'll be switching our bi-weekly schedule starting next week with a surprise unscheduled appearance by yours truly. So stay subscribed. I'm sure you do not want to miss that one. It is a special project that I have been working on. And how are you guys preparing for 10th edition yourselves? Let me know in the comments below. As always, if you see someone asking in the Discord, what units should I buy? Link them to this video. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace.